Well, oops, Mother Nature did it again. We got another, I don't know, 4 inches of snow. Good news, tarp held beautifully. So we just got to shovel again. It's getting ridiculous. These piles are getting so big. I don't know if you can even tell the extreme, but it's got some prints here. It's a lot of snow again. Way out by the greenhouse. It's just getting higher and higher. It's got to stop at some point. Spring's got to come. At least we should have a lot of water in the reservoirs and stuff, so that's a good thing. It's just a crazy amount of snow.